cruisers! Let's talk about packing. Cruise cabins typically don't have a lot of space, especially if there's going to be more than 2 people using the cabin. So, pack light, but try to cover every occasion. Even if you know the weather is forecast for good and high temperatures, sometimes evenings aboard ship can be a little cooler. So take a light sweater or a cover-up shawl for women. You can roll your items, that is a great space saver. And also, if you use compression bags, you could take those. Evening wear for the formal night could be taken. This is a great picture opportunity and will have some wonderful memories for you. However, it is not mandatory and some cruise lines are more business casual, so check before you go. On the day of embarking, the luggage sometimes takes a while to reach your cabin, so make sure you have a carry-on with top essentials. This should include any medications that you might need, and also you might want to relax poolside, so a light change of clothes. You can visit me on my website, www.cruisetravelhub.com. Happy traveling!